everyone, I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and I'm excited because we have finally hit our goal of 250 subscribers. Actually, we're over it, so I'm super excited. So that means this is going to be the video for our giveaway. Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a giveaway and we're picking one person this time because I have something special. So this video I'm talking about what I'm doing with my Dollar Tree 3-pot planter stackable planters. And so there are these. And in addition to our seeds, I'm actually going to be shipping out 5 of these to one lucky winner who will also receive now these are seeds from the Great American Seed Up that we have here in Arizona. It's a big convention that you can go and get all types of seeds that you might want to find and be able to grow in Arizona, and these are grown in Arizona too as well. So they're good for like higher heats, temperatures, since we get pretty hot here, sometimes 120. So this one is it's a pea, and it's the Oregon Sugar Pod pea. So that's going to be one of them. And then I have some pollinators. These are nasturtiums. I'm actually growing these right now. And these ones I'm growing right there. And then I have Jersey cabbage because it's going to be too hot for me, but I have mine right there. But you guys will be able to start growing these probably. And then I also have the early prolific straight neck squash. So those are going to be the 4 seeds that are going to be given away, as well as the planter here. So all you have to do to enter to win is to comment down below. Let's say comment down below your favorite vegetable that you like to grow, and that will enter you in to win. I will be picking a person next Friday, and then we'll see who wins. Alright guys, so let's talk about what I'm gonna do with my planters. So my friend Terri from Organic Raw Roots Farm, I will link her video below in the description and you guys should check her out. She did a project with hers, and I was like, you know, instead of letting it just be boring and just glossing over it in one of my tours, I'm gonna do something cool with it. So I decided I wanted to make it wheel around, so I added wheels, and I didn't want to drill holes in it, so I used some E6000. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I have it drying right now, so we're gonna see if it's working. I haven't picked it up yet, so let's check it out. Okay, so I've been letting this dry, but these are wheels that will go in all different directions. And I think we're pretty snug on here, so we're gonna flip it over and see if it works. So far they're staying, guys. So let's start building it. Now I've not started putting a lot of things in all of them quite yet, just because I am going to be growing a lot of basil in here. So I'm gonna finish stacking these and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it held up, the wheels held up. It looks like it's going to be able to roll just fine. Ah! Let me grab it from down here. So far so good. It looks like it's gonna work. It looks like E6000 has not failed me yet again. I'm probably gonna let it dry just a little bit longer to really make sure that it's gonna hold, but it's gonna be nice to be able to wheel it in and out of the sun. I've decided that I'm gonna use mine for a lot of basil because I ran out of basil quickly of all the ones that I had dried. We eat a lot of basil in this family, and we eat a lot of fresh herbs, but I tend to only use fresh herbs when they're in season, and then I try and dry enough to be able to get us through until I can grow that herb again. So whether it's too cold or whether it's too hot, but I want to make sure I have enough of that herb dried. And basil we ran out of, so this year I will be growing twice as much basil to make sure that I have enough, which on Sunday I'm going to be doing a video because I'm going to be taking a lot of the herbs out of the garden that I have right now and showing you guys what I do with them, because I've been letting them grow out in order to dry some of the herbs. So Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment with what your favorite vegetable is to enter you into the giveaway. And thank you guys for watching, and always remember, grow yourself a garden, because even a small space can provide you tons of food. Bye.